I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, Victory, meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sony far and Bombits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies, work on all market conditions. Today is January 24, 2022, Tuesday, penultimate day of option expiry because Thursday being a holiday, tomorrow is option expiry. So BankNifty closed 0.2% down, 42,733.40, while Nifty closed 18,118.30 flat. So what happened? See, while on the face of it Nifty looks flat, but what happened? Both BankNifty and Nifty opened a gap up, and BankNifty could not stay above the 50-day moving average. If you recollect, I have been telling that 50-day moving average is going to be a hurdle, number one, and Bollinger Middle Band is going to act as a support. And also, if you recollect, in the last few days video, including yesterday, we have been saying that there is going to be a band squeeze that is going to happen. What is band squeeze? It's very simple. So Bollinger Middle Band, Bollinger Upper Band and Lower Band moves in parallel and comes as close as possible. So when such a thing happens, the next logical thing is going to be a breakout. The breakout can be on either side. Okay, that is what it is. And why the breakout? We say unless all factors remaining. Okay, so the breakout is going to happen on February 1st or 2nd. All factors remaining constant, the breakout will be on the upward side technically. But if there is going to be extreme negative news in budget, like long-term capital gains is tinkered or something like that, which market does not like, for whatever might be the reason, it is going to break out in the downward direction. Because you might wonder why we are not able to predict or anything. Because if that event would not have been there, we would have told that the breakout is on the upward direction. Clear? Because market does not move on fundamental basis, but moves on the perception. Perception is nothing but mode of market, which is nothing but demand and supply, which is accurately captured by technical analysis. So the perception on 1st of February can change anyway. Okay. So hence, if there is no negative news or anything in the budget, you can expect a breakout on the upward direction. That's one. But when we analyze the individual components, before we can go into the individual components, when we analyze, other than HDFC Twins, everything is weak. Probably IT 3 or 4 IT stocks is supporting HDFC Twins. Otherwise, everything is down. So in fact, all the banking stocks are also very weak today. In fact, the last few days. So that is why you are seeing such a sideways movement, because it's like running on one leg. So only the select few stocks are holding, particularly HDFC Twins, HCL Tech, Infi, TCS, Techem. So few, and sometimes one day you will have IT metal supporting, another day you have consumer supporting. But overall, the texture is weak because Reliance is also weak. That is the overall structure. So this is going to be there for the next 4 days, because in this week we have another 2 days of trading, tomorrow and Friday, and next week we have 2 days before the month is over. So just 4 days you will have only a sideways movement. That is very, very clear. So option buyers, please be careful. You will lose money. I can give you in writing. So hence please be careful. So banks, when we analyze the individual components, banks, as I mentioned, AU Bank, SBI, Federal, IDFC, Kotak all fell 1%. So in the banking, Kotak is significantly down, significantly weak. So is ICICI, and it was also joined by Axis Bank post its result. In fact, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, all are below touching the Bollinger lower band. So then that means it is in a significant downtrend, unless of course there is an opportunity for all these stocks to reverse from here, but we have to see the reversal. Till such time it is on a downward trend. Yes, HDFC Bank up by 1%. So on the financials, IDFC, M&M Finance, Shriram Finance 1% down, L&T Finance 3% down, Chola and HDFC up by 1%. Insurance and cards, ICICI General ICICI Pru fell 1%, SBI Life 2% down, SBI Cards 3% down. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained flat. In the IT, you had Apple, Birlasoft, HCL Tech 1% up, Emphasis 2% up, and LTTS 3% up. So IT supported and Infi also supported. It remained flat. But Infi is now technically positioned slightly above 50-day moving average, and it formed a kind of a doji. Hence, people have to be careful tomorrow. After a doji, and particularly if it opens gap down, it will begin the start of a short-term downtrend, at least. So consumer goods, Page Industries and Pidilite 1% down, Coalpal down 2%. Asian Paints, Trent 1% up, Asian Paints 1% up, Trent and DMart 2% up, PVR 3% up. So automobiles, Bharat Forge 1% down, Eicher Motors 1% up, Bajaj Auto 2% up, Maruti and Tata Motors 3% up. So they had a good up move. Metals was a down day today. Coal, Jindal Steel, JSW, NMDC, Tata Steel 1% down, Hindalco and SAIL 2% down. If you recollect, I told that metals one has to be cautious by Jan end and February onwards, because it is reaching a kind of a saturation, at least I would say, for Jindal Steel and JSW and other stocks. So just be cautious. Health and Apollo, Health and Pharma, Apollo Hospitals, Divi's, Lalpath, Metropolis 1% down, Dr. Reddy down 2%. Others, DLF, L&T, Adani Ports, APL Apollo, Godrej, Indigo down 1%. So Delta Corp 3% up, Zomato 2% up, and Nike had a big up move of 7.88%. So with all these things, what do we expect for option expiry? Because it's going to be, though the closure will be in the narrow range, there can be movement on either side. Hence, it's better one looks upon resistance and support at much lower levels and accordingly play once the market opens. So support is going to be strong support. The levels that we set, 41,861.10 for BankNifty, and the resistance is going to be 43,458. What is this? It is slightly above the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart and also daily chart. Nifty 17,779 on the downward side and 18,339 on the upward side. That is resistance, which is nothing but a Fibonacci 50% retracement. Thank you very much.